Hello everybody, my name is Vanessa and I'm just here to talk about my progress so far. As you can see, here's my graph, and if we look, you can see that I've been hitting my goals intended for each deck. I've been surpassing the amount of 14. Currently we're on deck 3 and my highest score has been 14. I'm hoping to get that higher up by next week. But some of the strategies that I had in place were, for example, doing every day. I would start studying at the same time. I would study for the same amount of time each day, and then I had a set standard time. After that, I would then move on to my timings. That went on for 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, I would just record my highest score for the day and keep track of it. And then I would graph everything on the weekends. I just felt like that helped me overall see the entire picture and see my progress for the week. Something else that I would do as well is study and do my timings and everything in my room where it was quiet and I wouldn't be distracted. I also put my phone on do not disturb mode, beginning from my studying time until I was done with all my timings to ensure that I wouldn't get distracted. Only until I was done is when I would reward myself with my phone and taking it off do not disturb mode. And something else that I also did is, since some of the decks were quite big, I would split them up into smaller decks. Depending on how many were in that deck, I would split them evenly, just to ensure that I would get to study each single card in the deck. That way I didn't miss any. I really feel like the strategies that I have in place have helped me. I've been doing some of the strategies for like the past couple of courses, and I did see that they were working for me. That's why I decided to continue it. I haven't made any changes so far, but I don't feel the need to since I am seeing the progress. But overall, I feel like due to the past courses, I've been able to have good strategies. I've learned from past courses, any mistakes that I did, anything that needed to be edited again or revised. Luckily, I'm able to achieve my goals, and that's pretty much it for me. Thank you.